Hi everyone, it's ASKA here. In this video, I will show you how to fix vertical indentations in the nails with gel to smooth them out. For those who are concerned about the vertical and horizontal indentations that appear with age, as well as bumpy and uneven nails, you can correct them by applying gel using this method. Just by eliminating the vertical nail striations, you can make your fingertips look younger, so please watch until the end. Okay, let's get started. Nails change in various ways depending on the state of the body at any given time. One of the most frequently heard phenomena is the appearance of vertical and horizontal indentations in the nails with age. The causes of these vertical stripes are said to be aging, dryness, and nutritional balance. But the most common cause is said to be the decrease in the components that form the nail due to aging. For those who are concerned about bumpy and uneven nails, I will now introduce a method for curing vertical stripes and bumps on the nails using gel. It is said that just by eliminating vertical nail striations, you can look 5 years younger, so please take this opportunity to give it a try. Now, before we fix the bumps on your nails, let's take care of your nails first. Use a ceramic pusher and apply it to the root side of the nail to remove the thin skin-like substance that is sticking to the nail surface. For detailed instructions on how to perform nail care, please check out this video for more information. After nail care, lightly scratch the nail surface with a file of about 200 grit. Scratch the surface of the nail so much that it becomes cloudy like frosted glass, so that the base coat to be applied next can penetrate into the scratch. It is okay if there are still vertical streaks. Next, wipe off the shavings and oil with ethanol on kitchen paper. This is called oil removal, and the gel nail polish will last longer depending on whether or not you have done this all the way to the edge of the nail, so be sure to wipe off every last bit. This completes the preparation. Now, let's start to fix the vertical stripes of the nails. First, apply a base coat to ensure that the gel adheres to the nail and lasts longer. Press the brush against the mouth of the bottle and take gel on one side of the brush only. The amount of gel you take will depend on the size of your nails, so start with this small amount and spread it out. Most beginners apply too much gel and end up with a thick coat, so start with a small amount and spread it out, and if it seems to be grazed, add a little more. When applying the gel, rub it into the fine scratches made by sanding. Move it up and down in fine strokes. Also, be careful not to extend beyond the edge of the nail. Although you can still see vertical streaks when you have finished applying the entire nail, I will smooth them out in the next step, so let's cure the nail as it is. Now, spread the base coat over the entire nail again. If your nails are too thin to move, use a hard gel. If your nails are thick like this hand model, you can use base coat. Take double the amount of this base coat as before and place it in the middle first. Once temporarily placed, guide the gel toward the tip of the nail. The key here is to touch and move only the surface of the gel. Touch the tip of the brush only to the surface of the gel and move it slowly. When you reach the tip of the nail, guide the gel to the root of the nail in the same manner. In this way, the surface tension of the more coated gel will naturally eliminate the unevenness. Once this vertical line has been created, the same method is used again, this time guiding gel to both sides of the nail. The point is to be aware of the sensation of taking the gel with you rather than applying it. To do this, move the brush parallel to the nail. When you have finished painting the entire nail, turn your hand over at the end, this time using gravity to further smooth the surface. 5 to 10 seconds later, put it back and check the unevenness of the nail. The electricity in the room reflects off the nail and creates a white line like this. If this line is distorted like this means it is still uneven. So turn it over again to eliminate the unevenness. If the light line is straight, then let it cure. Now we have a smooth surface with no vertical streaks. You can apply color gel after this, or if you want to leave it clear as is, apply a non-wipe top coat and cure. Also, if you want to make the nails look similar to your own nails, you can apply a matte coat for a natural finish. How did you like the method of curing the vertical indentation of the nail? Just by eliminating the unevenness of your nails, your fingertips will look younger, so please give it a try. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please hit the like button. And if you like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye.